So next is we have another class of lipids, phosphoacylglycerols. So phosphoacylglycerols na nag-highlight la dida, as the name implies, may tanira phosphate nga side, and then you have acylglycerols, meaning glycerol nga part liwat. I think iton so some of them may dadidi phosphatidic acid. So I think phosphoric acid plays. So kung kanina carboxylic acid, di man no? Alcohol groups rather than a carboxylic acid. So ading carboxylic acid is COOH. Samantalang pwede ka mag-sterify pwede mag-sterify using phosphoric acid ngan amon nira iton mga phosphoacylglycerols. Okay? Amo tira. Sterified not using the carboxylic acid but phosphoric acid. Phosphoric acid is H3PO4. Tapos usually mapapansin nimo may the term fatty acids with COH is a monoprotic acid. Monoprotic meaning an imo to hydrogen usala. Mapapansin niyo ani mo mga fatty acids COOH. Ani mo H nida, you can lose that hydrogen through acid base reaction usala hakada sa molecule. Samantalang for your itong phosphoric acid nimo will know nitiya nga it can lose even your phosphoric acid is H3PO4. So meaning an imo esterified nga glycerol with phosphoric acid amo niya nga triprotic meaning tulo ka hydrogen, losable hydrogen reacting with acid base. So you can see it iya kuan ini nga terms monoprotic and triprotic ani to acidity nga hydrogen. So ada ito basahan na lang niyo itong mga common dida. So ini nga group is important, ini nga part is phosphatidic acid, a compound in which two fatty acids. So may dani mo two fatty acid nganhin phosphoric acid gin esterifihan imo hydroxyl group nimo glycerol. So nimo acyl glycerol kanina nga fatty acids tapos gin esterify hira you have acyl glycerol. Phosphatidic acid is duha nga fatty acid and phosphoric acid gin esterify hiya. Hiya animo glycerol. So amo tit pagkakaiban. Then you have phosphoacylglycerol. It is a phosphatidic acid with another alcohol esterified. So phosphatidic acid yan may alcohol nga gin esterify meaning another oxygen bonded to the phosphoric acid moiety, meaning part an imong phosphoric acid. Basahan na lang niyo. So ana ko lang ni mga kwan, mga parts. So diri mo kita hungitay. What are waxes and sphingolipids? So your waxes again pare-pareho latiyat oil, lip fats. Again they are lipids gyapon nira pero mga solid lehera at temperature. Waxes mixtures of esters of long. So ada itong word nga long or longer chain. So the more nga longer riya, iti mo chain, the more nga mas diri nakaka-interact imo molecule to molecule or diri nakaka-pass between each other. That's what makes them waxes. So diri meaning diri nakaka-pass siya, so diri ra liquid. Amo ito wax. Kita niyo ton usual taton Carnauba wax. Ita itong panlahir daton mga sapatos, they are wax. Di kag tiratanom from Carnauba. Ano pa ba? Iton mga margarine, mga wax naman nira ano. So, ang wax liwat nga margarine is tikang yaha oil, gin tanggalan mga unsaturated amo ito nga hydrogenated ito nga term kanang gimbasa. So, nagiging wax na iya. Kay tungod from unsat to saturated, di rin na nakaka-interact ang molecule to molecule making them as solid. So, wax. Not solid really, but waxy. Meaning mas solid kaysahan oil nga na-adaphan imo container, di ba? Then classes it imo waxes, you also have sphingolipids. Ano sphingolipids? Lipids whose structure is based on sphingosine. So ano man sphingosine? Dito didi. Wala man yanak ng ginyanak Carnauba wax, floor wax. You have Floor wax an una yan at floor wax yan iso rin bubutangan naman hin wax ti kang gasolina liwat ang gitatawag naton nga mga gibubutangan iti yahin ato wax from gasoline. So ginasagol na tiya para mas matipid kay damo kasi ang wax nga poproduce ti kang gasolina kay kada adlaw mo kita nagamit gasolina. So atong automobile wax di man. Spermaceti wax is wax from niya ti kang whale. Spermaceti. Kilalado yan una pero of course yan dere na ini pwede kay endangered na aton mga whales. There's pwede na pamatayon para makakulan wax. So sphingolipids that contain glycerol. So sphingolipids parehera glycerol ang kanina ang may tutulong nga OH but they do contain the long chain amino alcohol sphingosine. So di mo ngayon sphingosine is a long chain amino alcohol. So may dani mo amino meaning NH2 ito nga imo chain tapos may dani mo alcohol which is an OH from which is the compound takes its name sphingolipids. Okay? Sphingosine. So, kita na lang niyo sphingosine. I think sphingosine kasi is, of course, niya ito bagan gurguti nga kuan chain, which is made of amino acid, amino group, NH2, and then your alcohol. Sphingolipids are found in both plants and animals. They are particularly abundant in nervous system. So, adat aton nervous system nga wax or oil. Adat aton nervous system. Same class are ceramides, which is the one fatty acid linked to the amino group sphingosine. Ang parasaw naman line eh. And then we have sphingomyelins, compounds in which the primary alcohol, again, talking about primary alcohol, anime to OH nga nakakabit kan primary carbon. Itarot mga term ha. Primary alcohol of sphingosine is esterified. So meaning nag-connect liwat hin oxygen. Probably anime to OH, NH din tanggal. Ami to again esterified to phosphoric acid. So may phosphoric acid ka, gin pare-react nimo. Which also esterified to another amino alcohol. Di ba nasa kayo? So at least nakakaintindi ka mo iton mga terms nila phosphoric acid, anime ito H3PO4. So nakakita ka mo pag nayakan niyan primary alcohol, talking about that carbon in the OH. Amo ito yung importante na nakuha kita para nakakaintindi kita. So labi na papakita kita chemical reaction. 7 minutes na liwat. Ay nako. Then you have your baga posturate mo phosphatidylcholine. So this is under waxes, mga sphingolipids. So sphingo. Then imo amine group and you have your amine group. Sa amon definition yan sphingolipids and then you have your mga OH. I think ang mga OH din niya amo na ini agin esterified. Diba nimo part nga COOH, diba COOH ginesterified. So amo na net imo phosphatidylcholine. Okay? So this is the ilada ko na yung molecule ano. So again, this is biochemistry. Durdag ko nga molecule na consider biochemical, meaning interaction with nature. So example na nila mga postura. So yon and then the bagahin ko and iya mga bula-bula. Then you have another class which are glycolipids. Glycolipid is a lipid in which a sugar, so may niya carbohydrate, moiety, is banded. May niya part nga sugar nga nakaban. Ito ka moiety. Ceramides, lipids that contain one fatty acid. So this is another type of a lipid. Ceramide, lipids that contain one fatty acid. So usa nga linoleic, lauric, at nga mga fatty acid, meaning long chain nga hydrocarbon tapos may dani mo COH at top. So may dito niya linked to sphingosine liwat and may ang kanina igbaw. Sphingosine is may dani amine group nganin OH. So ganito pag intindi era para malaksi. So that is ceramide liwat. And then you have cerebroside nagtampo nimo glycolipid nganhin sphingosine. A glycolipid that contains sphingosine and a fatty acid in addition to sugar moiety. So actually, ang ceramide gyapon niya. Amo ito nga cerebroside. A glycolipid that contains the sphingosine, which is the ceramide, ano ito sphingosine kasi ceramide kasi sphingosine nganhin may sugar niya nga side. Sphingosine lipid that contain one fatty acid sphingosine by an amide nga amide bond. Lipids that contain animo glycolipid and may sugar moiety from the name glyco meaning sugar. So glycolipid, a lipid which a sugar moiety is bonded. So glycolipid. I think itdurod ako ini iton imo lipid. Itiya term lipid. Inim glyco part lahiya am to sugar moiety. Ceramide may danimo amide am to ceramide. Ceramide. May fatty acid, sphingosine, by an amide bond. Ani mo pagkapitan mo sphingosine yan hin. Cerebroside, glycolipid nga may sphingosine. Sphingosine diliwat titi. Diba? I think so let's pagkilala here. So what are glycolipids? So ito yung mga class, they are called glycolipids, meaning may sugar. May sugar, glyco and then lipids. So expect na lang tayo may mga term. Glyco means sugar, lipids, and imo lipids. So di matira mga postura. You have your meryl. Meryl cerotate. Diba no? Animo chain, animo fatty acid, C229, CH2. So that's a long chain part dida. So meaning damon at dida nga carbon that is 29 carbons. Tapos nakakabitan imo. O di pa. Is still a fatty acid, CH224. Tas adi nga side king kabit hirahin animo COO dinhi nag-esterified. Diba? Esterified didi another didi. Tapos sa imo sugar okay. Sorry. CH2 that is sugar. From your carbohydrates is carbon and hydrogen. So yun naman yung aside. Your cetyl palmitate po C2H15. Usually common ini mo ini nga side amin imo sugar. Sugar is di ba para imo monosaccharide, disaccharide that is may dani mo carbon times 2 lang imo hydrogen. That is your saccharide side. Tapos sa din imo COH for your katapusan na imo lipids, fatty acids. And then we have steroids. Ito, 12 alkat anay. Kat.